Amazing return, guys. Amazing return. 80% profit. Do you know why it's amazing? Because the whole market's crashing down right now. Bitcoin right now is $19,000, guys. Like I predict you. If you follow my videos, you know how much I predict Bitcoin will hit $10,000. Let's talk about the trade I share in the private list. Edgeware is the coin who saved it today, guys. Edgeware. Remember, my software is tracking the market, and I have a volume spike here, volume spike right here. So the buyers control the market. So we jump in this coin. I shared this trade in the private list yesterday. We bought this coin for 0.0007, and you put a sell order up here. 0.0013, guys, 80% profit. I made $8,000. I shared this trade in the private list, guys. If you're new members, feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com, if you like to get those trades in real time. Okay, I share all my trades in the private list. Also, we can trade for you. We can trade for you and provide 25% weekly ROI. Okay, and also I will teach you how the swing trade to trade stocks and trade crypto. I will teach you a swing trade strategy, guys. Like I mentioned before, if you follow my Twitter account, go to my Twitter, go to my last Twitter was 2 days ago. Bitcoin to $10,000 possible. Yes, guys, read my Twitter and learn. It's free, guys. I explain why Bitcoin will hit $10,000. I put myself a buy order here, $10,000 for $2 million. I'll buy a lot of Bitcoin, and I hope it doesn't go down to $10,000. I'm very bullish to $10,000 buy order, guys. So, do you remember this trade I shared in the private list? Coin of the day is Edgeware, and this is coin of the month, guys. We trade this coin Gamium, guys. Gamium, we made 700%. Insane returns, guys. Insane return. Take a look at this. I shared this trade in the private list around here. February 26th, we bought this coin for 0.0006 and put a buy, a sell order right here, 0.0045. I made $70,000 in a single trade, guys. $70,000. You can make the same profits I do, guys. We trade coins in high volume. The volume right now is $6 million. If I made $70,000, you can make the same profits I do. You just need to follow my trades, guys. I share all my trades in the private list. Feel free to reach me out. Tradecryptotime@gmail.com. I'd like to say welcome to our new members, Kevin, Jessica, and Ronald. Welcome to Ronald, guys. This has been an amazing week. Like I predicted, Bitcoin's hit $10,000 and the whole market's crashing down because those coins here, they are traded without volume. My software track the market. Volume spike plus buyer power. That's how you find so many pumps. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Share this video. Bye.